You young newborn pikin for me, the first boy we want complete 6 years, we not the talk now. Your sister don't give you boy, when he give you belly when you dey 7 years old, when you lost your father for a village for a Wetin. As a tenant of your father, now the boy then now sound, you say you just go meet her 2 times, now you go meet her for his house when he sleep you too. Now you get your first pregnancy for 7 years old. Where this your sister take abort her? But when your stepmother tell late, your sister use you against madam when he carry you come for Spain, when you pay 25,000 euro. Before I go carry you from there, they call the mama, made they stop. Since you see they pay the mama for Nigeria, our king daughter put, made they stop this thing. You know if you see they collect the money for Nigeria, before I go carry you for Spain. After you don't put your madam for prison for Sassijo for Spain. You go shook your madam to police, security police, when you call the meet una for inside the bar there. You dey tell her say you dey pay money to the madam. You give her all your details, the details, everything to this man. You go give police. You shook your madam to prison. See, all till now, your madam they spend almost about 8 years plus now for prison. See, he carry many girls come with evidence. How you think they pay her money, everything. The girl, she see dey prison now. The Oppo say you know go they pay again. But her mother can say your stepmother now stand for you for swear. You need to see they pay the money come Nigeria. Now me can stop that money. Say our Oba does swear put. May you know they pay the money for that. After I don't carry you, come from Spain. Where the woman call you, where I collect phone from you. Now that they now stop. Now the woman stop to they call you rich. You understand me so? So I believe said the woman that betrayed your mother when they carry you come. Your stepmother when he stand put, when he swallow foul liver, take stand for you. She done late now. I think they never go return the swear when they worry you. Many swear dey your head. You never go return the swear when it dey your hand to cast over so on. You shook the girl when you dey pay money for, go put her for prison. Who they lead you to do all those things so? Your sister so. But your pap brother now say, now you, now they want to take better. Now the children money will take the trade two of your sister for school. Now we take care of your mother. They take care of your people. But what me they do for Africa? At the sleep, you carry my phone. They send everything they give social. They give everybody say, now so they pack the money, they go outside Africa. They tell you say the man they work. If they pay tax, they do it. Even though they buy America, buy everywhere. All those one where they carry for where they send, because they give the soul. It don't matter. You dey fight for separation, but you, the father of your children, they say you want to separate the children because say you dey pack the children money, they give your own community the bid that for you. But at the end of the day, I think this, your uncle use the children money to bid one flat for himself. Use the money to bid one flat for you. Wait, be say the one flat now when I collect now. You know, let that one now you can't drop. Say that the one when they bid for you, the other one I money to the bid. Now you take the bid that one. This one man when they receive 27,000 naira. When we see they pay, we will see they use the children money to the support for our strength. He get 4 children for Benin there. I can't bid one flat now. He say not be the children money. I think it don't run. Now only this one flat now he submit when I can't collect. So your name, Oba so one Bcos when he did that document, Judge fair ask you for court that day. You say na lie, you they use the money to the back clothes and food. You understand me so? You say you don't want day on that man. You need man where you go there under with my children. You tell me say you go deal with me. Say make we bet 4 years ago. You see try again 2022. Say make we bet. For the presence of Mama Gentle. In the presence of Mama Gentle, you say you go deal with me. You will go see who go deal with each other. You go know say not be every man that they use say as a single father you want use me to climb me. Evidence where you keep in case if I want marry where you say you want to destroy me. Now I want enter media. I want drag you come out. Maybe you can't use your mouth talk. I you tell you children to go declare me for court or spire for Germany where they request me I can sign for my daughter document. You get eye. Follow my back, go declare me, say, you don't want me the father of yours, say, not be every man that they use, say, as a single father, you want use me to climb. Me! Evidence where you keep, in case if I want marry, where you say you want to destroy me. Now, I want enter media. I want drag you come out, make you can't use your mouth talk. I you tell you children to go declare me for court or spire for Germany where they request me I can't sign for my daughter document. You carry, you get eye. Follow my back, go declare me, say, you don't want me the father of your children sign for the document. Say if you are signed, get the document, and they go Africa, go marry. You never use your mouth talk. With the you get eye, so that we can be here together. But I did not know this lady now. That because other Obasanjo gave me contract so that they can deport me to Africa. My ex-wife called this lady so that they can deport me to Africa. Because I have a proof we are going to court. She take my picture of my kids, he take them to Africa. 15,000 euro is with me now. The money is with me. Can I show you evidence? We are going to court.
You go to court?
Yeah. So I don't have any problem. Why Obasanjo called this lady for them to fight with me, not to sign for my daughter? Warum, was ist das? Was ist das Problem? Aber schicken meine Kinder gehen zu Afrika. Immer schicken Afrika.
Hat in Rheingenheim einen Vertrag unterschrieben. Hat uns gerade gezeigt.
Well, we no more contract now with Bcos. Look at the woman Bcos gave contract. A Chris woman they give contract. Now we have appointment today with Bcos. A Bcos is married. I beg your money, I'm contracting and the Bcos we no Otrobalik binen.
Deswegen sonst dürfte sie ja auch gar nicht hier alleine unterschreiben. Das hätte er mit unterschreiben.
Ja, genau. In Rheingenheim haben
It's not for Vertrag, fertig.
Ich weiß nicht, warum die beide unterschreiben. Deswegen die Mutter.
Deswegen kann
Call Obasanjo to come here.
I show you the paper from the court. If it's possible, necessary, I order a dolmetscher that you understand all what we are saying. And I say it once and not twice.
Okay. You can look at, you can bring everything out of the police that I cannot sign from my Amazon for my daughter.
No, it's all already safe.
No problem.
Is angemeldet.
Okay, you have a contract with my daughter. You want to take my daughter away.
Nonsense.
No problem. Oh, yeah, call Mr. Obasanjo to come because we have appointment that you are coming. But now you don't tell Obasanjo to come. You just start quarrel with me.
What's your problem, mister? Frau Obersohn, ich bin hier vom Kindergarten.
Do cash your tea, Nanya. We know the at your ballet winning. Thank. Well, ballet, but you know, I'm with phone now. Not this car base, call ballet, but already be a car. So the Malaysia in Roduku. A Malaysian way so confused bill at the sign. Now, if you bill at the sign. Oh wow, okay, we are Bamo, I don't know more, this and this. Oh, ballet, but you know, when you are boy,
surprise me. Wow,
so remember me your ballet banana. You have to near with the arrest.
At the same time.
My
people, I don't say many men and all those kind of guests.
Welcome, when
I not surprised. Guess women.
I'm with phone.
They go see me mama.
We phone nebo. You are the man.
I go to show the man. Go say that he pass.
I when you are the ballet,
but never that was sister Eke Queen. We jogodo man. The video even different men. If you get side where they go, they put.
They when I ballet, why you see my banner na do
I'm not surprised. This kind of girl will see us mama. He go stay serious, mama. Now you go call they say. My brother, you don't see the video. You don't see the video. So
then it is here when you explain my
this one shocked me. It shocked me. I need to see the video. Anybody will need that when I feel contact me. I will send and give you because the TC they like they surprise me say.